Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can tap on it or press the upper button to wake up the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the upper button to open the menu. After the menu opens, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. And here, look for the option called vibration. Once you find it, tap on it. And as you can see, we have a couple levels of vibration. We have off. If you select this option, the vibration will be completely off. Your watch won't vibrate. Then we have low, and then we have medium, and then we have high. So select the one you like. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.